TK, you have some mail that came for you today. Good grief. What do you think it is?
I don't know.
Aren't you going to come out? Well, you can lay right there.
Hey. He's out. Can't open it.
Pour a little.
Came off. Came off.
Dig your finger in there.
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, girl. Use your muscle.
It's right. It's book.
It is.
Yes,
Keep going.
it is.
You're not supposed to peek in. You're supposed to open it. You need some spinach.
Yes, already.
I can see that.
Okay.
Okay.
I told you it was.
Ooh. Let me see. Hold it up.
Ooh.
That's the book you got from Talking to Santa online.
Yay. Ooh.
Wait until your brother sees that.
Mm.
Oh, it's one big book and it has little tiny books on the inside. That's really nice.